This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. Microsoft PowerPoint has various animations and transitions that users can use to create the presentation they need. In this video, we will explain how to use the curtains transition feature in PowerPoint. The procedure is easy. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. Enter the data you wish to in the slide. Now, at the top, you will notice the Transitions tab. In the Transitions to this slide section, click on the downward pointing arrow. Select the Curtains tab. Do you notice the effect? The way the curtain unfolds and fades away. Imagine adding it while presenting a new offer to your clients. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.